morning, Kane. How are you?
Good morning. How are you?
I'm great. Happy Cinco de Mayo.
Oh, ole.
I wore my Spanish shirt today in honor.
Cool.
Yeah. So, well, what a day. We've got more listings, which is fantastic. We have an extra day of inventory now, 27 days. So we
Woo-hoo.
added a day. Yes, that's the good thing. And with the median price at 475,000, we have 43 new listings that are 475 and under for a total of 715 listings 475 and under. So that's great. And what we have to, and I think that that's happening because of the equity people have gained because of the increase in their what I call dead money, their equity. So people
Dead
are
money? Sounds kind
dead
of
money.
morbid, Ruthie.
Well, it is, and you shouldn't have it. So that's why you should sell and buy, and you have more money to put down. So I don't want everybody to freak out because of the increase in interest rates, which we're going to talk about. Hi, good morning, Karen. I haven't seen you, my dear. Love you, love you. There's my favorite, Karen. Good to see you. So yes, let's talk a little bit. Is Jimmy on his way?
Jimmy is just now coming in with all his stuff. So everyone, please welcome Jimmy Dag. Yay!
He's going to be flying in. Flying in. Good morning, Jimmy.
Morning.
How are you?
Good. I'm putting in my ears.
Good. Put your ears in.
Okay.
Everybody should be putting their ears in.
Now I'm like Mickey Mouse. My ears are in.
Hey, Karen, you've been lazy. Well, it's time to get crazy, not lazy, right? Oh, you've been crazy, not lazy. Got it. That's a good thing. It's better than being lazy. So crazy, yes. Businesses, agents are wondering what's going on. The interest rates went up, but we're going to talk about that. Jimmy, we've got 715 homes, 475 and under. And so that's given us a total of 27 days of inventory, which is one more day than we had yesterday. So that's a good thing. And we're selling more homes this year than we sold last year. And so that's another good thing. We're selling 94 homes a day right now in the first 4.5 days of May. And last year we were doing 84. So life is good in the real estate world. And oh my gosh, Karen, you just returned from Peak Experience. It was fantastic. I bet you're energized and ready to go, ready to rock and roll. That's fantastic. Good for you. Congratulations. Really. And that was that in San Diego or Phoenix? Let us know, Karen.